Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ego and this is Love Ego. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm reorganizing and revamping and decluttering my entire workspace area, which is also my bedroom. It's just a section of my bedroom. So I'm going to be showing you how I do that. So we're like halfway through the year, and around this time I usually do a little bit of a reflection of how the year has been. And this is 2020. I don't know when you're watching, but if you're watching this in real time, you know that the year has been a trip. It has been a little stressful, but we forge on, so I'm just showing you what my situation looks like now. I was shooting a video yesterday that required removing the things from my bookshelves. That's why there are so many empty spaces on my bookshelves. So I've kind of already started the process already. If you look around my room, I'm just going to implore you to please not judge me, okay? This is usually not what it looks like, but you see like what exactly is going on under this table. That is one of my pet peeves. That is one of the main reasons why I am doing this, because I need that space to not I need the space to not look like that anymore. So basically what I want to do is move my books from this side. I've already cleared the books out of this side. That's why there's so many books on the floor. So I've already moved the books from here, and I'm just going to moving them to this side of the room on these shelves right here, so that I can have like books on one side, and then I can have like my arts and craft DIY things, fabric, and I guess like some decor on this side of the room. I just want to kind of make sure that this entire area is workable and is neat and proper. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. So I guess we should just start. So since this is something that is clearly going to take a lot of time, I'm going to be doing it in a step-by-step process. And the first step is we're going to start out by clearing out the shelves, basically taking everything off of the shelves. It's a lot better and easier to start with a blank canvas. That way you can see, you can organize and plan where everything is going to go once you're done with your arrangement. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just clearing out the shelves. Okay guys, so now the shelves are empty except for that one section, and the reason why I left that is because those things I actually want to remain there exactly as they are. Those are my like painting and art supplies, brushes, all that type of stuff. The shelves themselves are empty on this side and on the other side too. As you can see, everything else is sprawled on the floor and on the table. And I also at some point needed to move the table by a few inches, so I had to call for reinforcement. My sister helped me out with that. All right, so for step 2, we are going to be setting up the storage items. So I've gotten a lot of shelves already. As you can see, I already have big shelves set up, so there isn't really a lot of like building of shelves and storage things going on. I did, however, have to build a new nightstand, and that's one that I ordered along with some other small boxes and small storage items. Guys, building shelves is one of my favorite things to do. I find it very relaxing, and it would be one of the best jobs for me to do. It's like, it sounds funny, but it's true. It's like I listen to music, podcasts. Sometimes I just zone out completely. It's just so much fun for me. Fortunately, I did all of this the day before I started filming this particular video. It's part of my IKEA haul. I'll leave a link to that video up here and in the description box. I just thought I should add that just in case we are wondering why my outfit is different. So yes, this is from yesterday. Okay, so the next step, the third step, is to sort all the stuff into the storage places, into the storage spaces that we've set up. So next, I'm just sorting all the stuff that we've taken off of the shelves into all the storage boxes and all the things that I have set up already. In doing this, I was able to do a lot of decluttering. I was able to get rid of stuff that I won't need anymore. There were quite a lot of things, so I just kept doing that. Yeah, so at this point, I was tired. I was already tired, but I still had a few other things that I needed to get done that day. So I decided to take a break from this for the day and just continue the following day. But first, I just decided to use that opportunity to clean out the spaces, which it makes sense. This is usually the perfect time to clean shelf spaces that on any other day may be too difficult to clean. Hi guys, so it's another day and all the shelves are empty now, and I have packaged everything. I've put everything exactly where they're supposed to be. So at this point, everything is in its place basically. Everything is exactly where I want them to be. Everything that I don't want to keep is gone. All that is left now is putting everything on the shelves in our apartment closet or under my bed. For example, the storage containers are going onto the sewing part of the shelves, and the black storage box that I use to put fabrics and other DIY items, those ones I'm putting under my bed very close to the working area, and so on and so forth. For the books, I've also managed to arrange them by category and by genre, and also a little bit by height, which is the method that works best for me. You can arrange it anyhow you want. You probably can't see it in my demeanor, but this is so much fun for me. This is so much fun for me. I like arranging my bookshelves. I like to do a mixture of decor and books on my shelves so that the books don't look too cramped up. Otherwise, your shelf can just end up looking too crammed, and then I place a couple of the books standing up. I place some of them on their sides. I try to, make sure they are balanced and not looking too wonky. So I just keep doing this until I'm satisfied with how everything looks, basically. So, guys, it is 1,000 years later, but I'm finally done. I finally wrapped all this up, and it took me about 2 days to get through it. And like, I even decided to get cute for you guys today, just because like I feel so light. I feel so like decluttering everything really is one of the best things you can do. So now I feel like I'm ready to work. I feel like my space is open, things are flowing. The energy here is good. But yeah, I have everything done. I am very proud, most especially of like how I was able to get rid of all the things that were under the table. Most of it were just like pieces of fabric or like leftover things from old DIYs that I thought I should hold on to because I may end up using them again. Some of them I did, but some of them I just had to throw them away. My nightstand situation is very situated. I added a lamp, and I also have all my arts and crafts and painting DIY stuff on one side of the shelf, and I have my sewing machine on the table. My table is clear enough for me to still work, and the bookshelves on the opposite side are just that, just for books. So there's no like mix and match thing anymore. Like now it seems like there's a better like form of arrangement. Everything is in its place and everything has its own place. But that's it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing it, even though it was a lot of work. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You should also share it, okay? And follow me on social media at love_ego. There, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get first dibs on all of my YouTube content. And that's it. We're done. I'm actually feeling really good in this outfit, in this whole like 90s 50 head wrap get up situation. So I'm going to take my thumbnail right now before like I lose my juice and my ginger. Thank you guys so much for watching.